Hello everyone. In this video, we will install Python Oracle DB and then create and run a Python application on macOS platform to connect to an on-premise Oracle database. So first up, we'll install Python. The Python Oracle DB driver is supported in versions 3.7 to 3.11 in macOS. You can install Python from www.python.org as you can see from the link here. We can check the Python version in the macOS terminal using python version. Now, as you can see here, I've installed version 3.9.13. Next, we will install the Python Oracle DB driver. This driver is registered as Oracle DB in the PyPy or Python package repository. So you will see me using Oracle DB or Python Oracle DB interchangeably in this video. Don't worry, they are one and the same. Now we can use the pip module with the Python command to work with Python modules and packages. To check the availability of a particular package, in this case Python Oracle DB, I use the show command under the pip module. As you can see here, the Oracle DB package is not yet installed. Let's go ahead and install the Oracle DB driver. So to install the Oracle DB driver, I use again the pip module with the Python command, but I use the install command under the pip module. It is always advisable to use the -- upgrade and the -- user attributes so that the latest version of the driver is downloaded without any access permission issues. The Oracle DB driver is now successfully installed. Let us now check if the Oracle DB driver is properly installed. We use the show command of the pip module again. As you can see here, you get all the details of the package, such as version, summary, author, etc. Now a quick tip here, if you are running behind a company proxy or firewall, you have to use the -- proxy attribute to specify the proxy details with the pip module as shown in the screen. Let us run the Python command line and see if we can use the package. Here I am running import Oracle DB and there is no error here, which means that the package can be used in any Python program. Next, ensure that an on-premises Oracle database is ready for use. There are a lot of articles, documentations, and videos out there on the internet that show how to download and install different editions of Oracle database locally on macOS. So if you have a remote database, you can use its network alias, user credentials, and wallet files if required to connect to it. Finally, in the application to connect to the Oracle database, I import the required modules Oracle DB and getPass. Then I set the username, the connect string for my local database and get the password securely through the getPass module. Then we pass all these user and DB configuration attributes to the connect function of the Oracle module to create a connection object. When I run the program and enter the right password, I get the database version. So we have created a database connection object successfully here. Note that I have used VS Code as it is easy to use and requires low configuration and has a lot of extensions to run any program quickly. That concludes this video. We have more videos on Python Oracle DB coming up. Till then, take care.